Hi students, in this video I am going to explain you 2024 class 10 CBSE sample question paper section C. I have already explained section A and section B in one of my videos. Okay, two videos I have explained, and in this video I am going to explain 6 questions from section C. Okay students? Section C, question number 26 students. Here I think you can read the question. Here they have given some data, that is interested in dance. Some students are interested in music, some are in dance and some are in handicraft. So what they are asking, let us see here. Find the number of students in each group. Okay, and also find question number 26 students. Okay, we have to find the HCF of 60, 84 and 108. Okay, so here I am going to do a division method students. It will be easy, so any method you can use. Okay, so 60, 84, how many times? One time. Subtract 4, 2. Again 60 here, 2 times 48, 12. Okay, again 24, here you will get 0. So here the HCF of 60 and 84 is 12. Now again you do this 12 with 108. Okay. So 9 times. So the HCF is 12. Okay. So HCF is equal to 12 students. Okay. Now we have to find the number of groups. Okay. In music. So number of groups in music gives 60 divided by 12 you have to do. How much you will get? 5. Okay. Next, number of groups in, next what students? Dance. This gives 84 by 12. Okay. That is equal to 7. Next students, number of groups. So steps are very much important here. In next given is handicraft. Okay. This is equal to 108 by 12. How much students? 9. Now total number of rooms also we have to find, isn't it? So total number of rooms is equal to, so 5 plus 7 plus 9. How much students? 21. Okay. Here this 12 is nothing but number of students in each group will be 12. Okay. So number of groups and also total number of rooms we have to find. So in this way you have to show the steps. Did you understand students? Number 27 students we have to find. First bit you have to find alpha square plus beta square, and second bit what we have to find? Alpha to the power minus 1 plus beta to the power minus 1. Okay. So first we know our standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So what is the value of a? It is 5 and value of b is 5 and value of c is 1. Next, sum of roots or sum of zeros, okay, is equal to how much? What is the formula? Minus b by a. Means alpha, suppose alpha and beta are the zeros, alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 5, that is equal to minus 1. And alpha beta product of roots, okay. alpha beta is equal to C by A, that is equal to 1 by 5. Did you understand, students? Now we have to find alpha square plus beta square. Means we should know the formula for A plus B whole square. This gives alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. We want only alpha square plus beta square. So transpose plus 2 alpha beta here. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Understand, students? So alpha plus beta is how much? Minus 1 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 1 by 5. That is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Now minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 2 by 5. This gives 5 minus 2 by 5 and this gives how much, students? What is the answer here? 3 by 5. Okay. So value of alpha square plus beta square will be equal to 3 by 5. And the second bit is alpha to power minus 1 means 1 by alpha you can write and 1 by beta you can write. Okay. Now take LCM. You will get alpha beta in the denominator and alpha plus beta in the numerator. Okay. So apply the values here, students. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 and alpha beta is 1 by 5. This gives minus 1 into 5 by 1. That is equal to how much? Minus 5. Okay. Therefore, alpha to power minus 1 plus beta to power minus 1 will be equal to minus 5. Did you understand, students? Question number 28. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Okay. So, question number 28. Question number 28, students. So, we don't know the number. Okay. And it is a two-digit number. So, let us take let one's digit. Okay. Is equal to x and tens digit is equal to y. Okay. Now if we expand the number, the number will be, expansion of a number. Suppose we have a number, two-digit number 26. Okay. So how will you expand this? This is ones place and this is tens place. So 2 into 10 plus 6 into 1 you will do. Right. This is what we are going to do here. Okay. So tens digit is y. So y into 10 plus x into 1. This is equal to 10y plus x. Okay, students. Now, if we reverse the digits, what will happen? The number will be means tens place will have x and ones place we will have y. Okay. And the number becomes how much? 10x plus y. Did you understand, students, up to here? And here also if you reverse the digit you will get 62. This is ones, this is tens. Okay. Here you will have 6 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Okay. Here they are telling the difference of these digits. The difference of the digits is how much, students? Is equal to 2. Okay. So what is the difference? So x minus y the digits difference you take, so subtract x minus y is equal to 2 they have given. Okay. And now the question is, and the next sentence in the question is, we have to add the sum of the number and the reversing the number. We have to add the number and the reversing number also we have to add. Sum means addition, no? So first our number is 10y plus x. Okay. And we have to take the reversed number 10x plus y. If we add these two, how much they have given? The number we will get is 66 they told. So this is the equation for our given sentence. Okay students. So now solve this. How much you will get? So get 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. Take common students, x plus y, you will get 66 by 11 and x plus y will be equal to 6. Okay. So let us take this equation as 2. And here already they have given the difference of the digits. X minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Now solve these two equations students. I am going to do here. We have two equations students. X minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6. Now I am going to add them. Add these two equations students. So plus y minus y gives 0. 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. Therefore x we got as 4. Okay. Now find the value of y students. So x plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 4 and we got the y as 2. Therefore, number is equal to, okay, so the number is, so 1's digit is x and 10's digit is y. So this is 1's digit, that is 4 and 2. So the number is 24 students, okay. And also the number is 24 and the reversed number will be 42. Okay. So the number may be 24 or 42. Both numbers we can have. So if the number we got is 42, the reverse number will be 24. And if the number is 24, the reverse number will be 42. Did you understand students? And coming to the next question. Okay, B bit. So 28th question we have choice students. Question number 28 we have choice. Okay. So this is first part and the second part we are going to solve now. Okay students. So solve. So what is the question students? 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2, comma 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So we have to solve this. We have to find the values of x and y. So how can we do this students? So I'm going to take 1 by root x is equal to capital letter A and 1 by root y is equal to capital letter B. First I'm going to solve A and B, then I will find x and y. Okay. So 2 by root x means 2 into 1 by root x, no? So this one, the first equation will be 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and the second equation will be 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So in order to solve this by elimination method, I am going to multiply the first equation with 2. So how much we will get students? The first equation we will get is 2 2s are 4a plus 6b is equal to 4. And the second one is 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now I am going to subtract these two equations. So change the signs for subtracting. So the first one 4a minus 4a gives 0 and 6b plus 9b. How much students? 15b is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. So what will be the value of b? This will be 1 by 3. Okay. Now find the value of A. So apply any one of the equations. So 2A plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So 2A will be equal to 2 minus 1 and A will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay students. Now we got the values of A and B. So now what we have is 1 by root x is equal to A means 1 by 2. So squaring on both sides. Square on both sides students. Okay. And also 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. So for both equations squaring on both sides we will get 1 by x is equal to 1 by 4, comma 1 by y is equal to 1 by 9. Therefore, so reciprocal on both sides students. Reciprocaling. Okay. So you will get, therefore x will be equal to 4 and y will be equal to 9. Okay. Very easy students. Did you understand this? How to solve? Question number 29 students. Here they have given choice. Okay. So first one diagram they have given, and also we have a choice, another question also we have. So any one you can solve. So now I am going to explain both the questions here. Okay. So here the A part is PA and PB are tangents. Observe the tangents in the diagram students of a circle with center O from an external point P. Okay. Now chord AB makes an angle 30 degrees with the radius at the point of contact. Okay. So if the length of the chord is 6 centimeters, find the length of the tangent PA and the length of the radius OA. Okay. I have given angle OAB. OAB. This one. 30 degrees they have given. Okay. And angle OAP. Total angle OAP is 90 degrees. Okay. Angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. You know this. This is a theorem. Okay. And angle OAB they have given 30 degrees. Okay, now we can find the value of angle BAP, right? Angle BAP, how much? 90 minus 30 degrees. How much students? 60 degrees. Understood? So this part is 60 degrees. Understood? And also we know that PA is equal to PB. Tangents from the external point are equal. Okay. From external point are equal. Understood students? If you take this triangle PAB and two sides are equal here and this becomes an isosceles triangle and this angle will also be equal to 60 degrees. Okay. In triangle PAB, already two angles we know. So according to angle sum property, 60 degrees plus 60 degrees plus angle P is equal to 180 degrees. This is about angle sum property. Understand students? Okay. So now find the value of angle P. How much? 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So angle P, the value of angle P is how much students? 60 degrees. Okay. So this became now an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle will have all the three angles as 60 degrees each. Now we know the value of chord, that is 6 centimeters, and we are going to find the length of tangent PA and the length of the radius OA. Okay. So now take the triangle OAP. Okay, OAP. Now join this, okay. So in triangle OAP, okay, OPA will be equal to 30 degrees. Why? Total P is 60 degrees and The line from the center bisects the angle. No? So this is 30 degrees. Now tan 30 degrees will be how much, students? Tan value opposite side by adjacent sides. Okay. That is OA by PA. Understood? And tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. Did you understand, students? Now if you observe this triangle ABP, this is an equilateral triangle. So PAB is an equilateral triangle. Then all the sides will be equal. Means AB is equal to PA is equal to PB. And one of the chord they have given, that is AB. How much? 6 centimeters. So these three measurements will be 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Understood, students? Now OA by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3 and OA will be equal to 6 by root 3. Solve this. 6 root 3 by 3. How much you will get? OA will be equal to 2 root 3 centimeters. Did you understand, students? So the length PA is 6 centimeters and the radius OA is 2 root 3 centimeters. Okay. So coming to B bit now. So the B bit is how much? Coming to B bit, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 angle OPQ. Now let us write the given part, students. So what is given here? Given here is TP and TQ are tangents. Okay, steps are very much important here, students. Okay, to a circle with center O. Okay, next what is required to prove, students? What we have to prove in this question? Angle PTQ. So where is the angle? I am going to mark here. This angle is equal to 2 times the angle of, I have marked already, angle OPQ. This one we have to prove. Okay. So let us start the proof here, students. You have to write the steps like this. Okay. So if you understand carefully, if you observe the diagram carefully, here point P is the point of contact for the radius OP and tangent PT, right? So angle OPT will be equal to 90 degrees. So angle at a point of contact. Okay. And also the total angle OPT can be written as sum of the two angles OPQ plus angle QPT. Okay, observe the diagram carefully, students. Angle OPT can be written as angle OPQ plus angle QPT. So while doing these sums, you have to observe the diagram carefully and then write the steps. Then only it will be easy for you. Don't by heart the steps. Okay. And coming to, if you observe properly, we can see a triangle there. And also the tangents they have given, PT and TQ are the tangents here, right? So TP is equal to TQ. These two tangents will be equal. Why? Because tangents from external point are equal. Okay. You have to write the reasons also. Okay. So TP and TQ are equal. So now if you observe carefully, we have a triangle here PQT, and in this triangle we have TP is equal to TQ. Means two sides of a triangle are equal. This is an isosceles triangle and their angles, opposite angles will be equal. Okay. So angle TPQ will be equal to angle TQP. Why? You have to write the reason here. Isosceles triangle property. Okay. Or otherwise, you can write the statement directly here. What is the statement you can write here, students? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay. Okay. Plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degrees, and this is nothing but our angle sum property. Understand, students? Very easy, students. Very easy to solve. Okay. We know these two are equal, right? These two are equal. So angle to angle TPQ I am writing. Okay. Plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degrees. To angle TPQ is equal to, I'm going to send this towards other side, angle PTQ. Now angle TPQ will be equal to, so into 2 becomes divided by 2. This is becomes 90 degrees minus 1 by 2 of angle PTQ. Did you understand, students? Now here we know that angle OPT is 90 degrees, right? So apply in this equation. So applying in this equation, what you will get? So 90 degrees is equal to angle OPQ plus angle QPT. Okay. So I'm going to transpose this. You will get angle QPT will be equal to 90 degrees minus angle OPQ. Okay. If you take these two equations, so both LHS are same, isn't it? Both LHS are same. Okay. So equate RHS. So take this as equation number 1 and take this as equation number 2. What we can write is from equations 1 and 2. What you can write? So LHS are equal. So equate RHS. So 90 degrees minus 1 by 2 angle PTQ will be equal to 90 degrees minus angle OPQ. Okay, students. So transpose everything. So 90 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay. Plus angle OPQ is equal to half angle PTQ. Just transposing I have done, this gives the value 0. So transpose 2 angle OPQ is equal to angle PTQ. So I think we got the answer here. Hence proved you right. Okay. This is what we have to prove now. Did you understand, students? Question number 30, students. So 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay. This is the given part. And what we have to do is we have to solve for tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 or 1. Okay, students. So we know already the first identity. What is the trigonometric identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I am going to write, instead of 1, I am going to write sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, and already we have another sine square theta in the LHS. That is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay, students, and this gives 2 sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay. So now what we can do is we can divide the whole equation. Divide the whole equation by cos theta. So we can do divide by cos theta or sin theta. Anything we can do. So what happens? Sorry, cos square theta. We can divide by cos square theta or sin square theta. So this becomes 2 sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay. Plus cos square theta by cos square theta. This gives is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta whole divided by cos square theta. Now what will happen, students? Sin square theta by cos square theta gives 2 tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 3 tan theta you will get. Okay. So now transpose 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you observe carefully, this is in the form of quadratic equation. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And in place of a, 2 is there. And in place of b, minus 3 is there. And in place of c, 1 is there. And in place of x, tan theta is there. Okay. So in place of x, you write tan theta and take ABC as 2 minus 3 and 1 and just solve for the quadratic equation. Understood, students? So how will you split the middle term here? So a into c gives how much? A into c gives 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. So 2 and 1 we can take here. So this becomes 2 tan square theta. So instead of minus 3 tan theta, I am going to write minus 2 tan theta minus 1 tan theta. Understood? I have split the middle term and plus 1 already is there equal to 0. Okay. Now take common here. 2 tan theta, if I take common, another tan theta will remain inside the bracket and minus 1 will be there. Here also I should get tan theta minus 1. Okay. So here one sign and one number I have to write. Here opposite signs are there. So negative, already tan theta minus 1 is there inside. So negative minus 1 here. So again take common here. Tan theta minus 1 is the common in the two terms. The remaining part is 2 tan theta and minus 1 here. This is equal to 0. Okay. So find out the factors for, we are going to find out the factors for x. Now we are going to find out the factors for tan theta here. Okay. So equate to 0. Both factors equate to 0. So tan theta will be equal to 1 here. And coming to here, 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 here. Okay. So this is what they are asking us to do, right? Did you understand, students? And coming to the next question. Question number 31, students. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Here if you observe carefully, the data it is a frequency distribution table, right? With class intervals. So what we have to do is observe the given data carefully and observe the class intervals, whether these are inclusive class intervals or exclusive class intervals. So they are asking us to find the mean length of the leaves. Okay. They are asking us to find the mean length of the leaves. Okay. So now students, if you observe the class intervals, they have given inclusive class intervals. We have to convert this into exclusive class intervals. What we are going to do is, okay, directly I am going to explain here. So lower limit minus 0.5 you do. Okay, here I am explaining. lower limit minus 0.5 you do and upper limit plus 0.5 you do. Okay, so what you will get here? 117.5 to 126.5. Here 126.5 to 135.5. Here 135.5 to 144.5. Here 144.5 to 153.5. 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5 and 171.5 to 180.5. Understood? Now we have to find the class mark, that is xi, for this exclusive class intervals. Means what? How will you get the class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So upper limit plus lower limit whole divided by 2. How much you will get, students? The first one, 117.5 plus 126.5, 244 divided by 2. Here you will get 122. Okay. Next. Next is 126.5 plus 135.5 divided by 2. How much you got? 131. So, otherwise, you can take the difference 117.5 minus 126.5. So, how much you will get? 9. So, if you add 9 for 122, you will get 131. Now, add 9 for 131. How much you will get? 140. Okay. Next, 149. Next, 158. Next, 167. Next, 176. Okay. If you check 171.5 plus 180.5 divided by 2, you will get 176. Okay. Now what we have to do? So I am showing you the direct method, students. So multiply fi and xi. Fi into xi. Okay. So 122 into 3. How much? 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 131 into 5. How much? 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 6. Next 9 into 140, 9 zeros are 0. 12. Okay. Now 12 into 149. You will get 1788. Next 5 into 158. So 5 8s are 40, 25, 9, 790. Okay. Next 4 7s are 28, 24, 26, 668. Okay. Next 176 into 2. You will get 12, 15, 352. Now we have to find, so direct method I am showing here. So what we have to do, we have to add these frequencies and this fi xi. Okay. If you add all these things, how much you will get? 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29 plus 5, 34 plus 4, 38 plus 2, 40. This one we got 40, students. And if you add all these things, okay? Add and tell me the answer, students. So here we got 5879. Okay. So what is the formula, students? So what is the formula? Mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. So apply the values, students. 5879 divided by 40. Okay. So divide by 4 and take one decimal point. 4 ones are 4, 5, 4 fours are 16, 4 6 are 24, 4 nines are 36. Here point. You will get 4 sevens are 28 and 5. So 146.975 is the mean length of the leaves. Okay. Approximately you can take 147. Okay, students. You have to write, therefore, mean length. Okay. Mean length of leaves. Okay. Is equal to 147. Did you understand, students? If you really understand all these sums, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.